Hello everyone, in this video, I will demonstrate LCMS triple quadrupole system maintenance, mainly for Shimadzu LCMS-80xx series models. From the video, you will see how simple and easy to do a regular LCMS maintenance without vacuum shutdown. After turning off MS, waiting for the temperature cool down, then we can start the hands-on. There are 3 sessions in this video, including interface cleaning, capillary replacement, and how to changing the DL without vacuum shutdown. Interface cleaning. First, open the unit and disconnect the PEEK tubing. Then select the knob to remove the whole unit. Be careful to uninstall it after the temperature has been cooled down. Put the iron source unit carefully on the table and prepare LCMS grade methanol and Kimwipe tissue for iron source cleaning. Wet the tissue with methanol and wipe off the soiling and any contamination on the surface of iron source. Please remember, do not leave any tissue residues on the surface. After that, we can continue to clean the sampling cone on the heated block. Loosen the screws using the Allen key provided. Loosen one screw first, then change to another one. Insert the drawing tool provided under the heated block. Remove the heater flange out slowly. Using a screwdriver to loosen the screws on the sampling cone. Then, put this sampling cone into a clean beaker with methanol inside for sonication. Capillary replacement. To replace the capillary, first disconnect the PEEK tubing. Then remove the nailed screw. Loosen and remove the ESI coupling and remove the capillary IC. Take it out gently to avoid bending it accidentally. Hold the ESI pipe IC carefully. Make the alignment of the ESI pipe with the nut. If it's confirmed clogged, change it with a new one. After that, mount the ESI capillary IC. Put the ESI coupling back by dropping it gently. Don't push it hardly. Remember to adjust the projection of the tip of capillary to be about 0.5 to 1 mm. Tighten the nailed screw by hand. Then reconnect the PEEK tubing. Next is the iron source installation. Put the iron source unit back by inserting it into the 2 bolts. Changing DL. DL can be changed when it's contaminated. To change a DL, first disconnect the connector. Then using the Allen key to loosen the locking screws. After that, turn the notched section to the direction where the DL is to be removed. Then draw it out. This is the DL after taking out. DL can be cleaned internally and externally using the solvent methanol. After cleaning, mount the DL back to the instrument. Turn the notched section in the direction for securing the DL to the heater flange. Then tighten the two DL locking screws using the Allen key provided. Please tighten the locking screws sufficiently. The last step is to reconnect the connector.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu